Hi, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how I made a simple outdoor seating arrangement using old rubber tires. I like to reuse materials as much as possible. So what I did was I got these tires painted using a white paint. At the end of the video, I will be showing you which paint I had used to get these tires painted. So this is the place where I will be making the seating arrangement. So this seating arrangement I will be making right here. So let me just remove away all of these from this place and clean the area. Many people make different types of uses with these tires. I have seen people making planters, different types of chairs. They also make swings out of it, and that's how they can be reused. But I thought let me make a seating arrangement with these because I frequently spend some time in the garden and I would love to sit here for some time and enjoy the nice breeze. So these neem leaves have been falling from a nearby tree. It's just adjacent to my house. This neem tree, which has been shedding leaves a lot, and every winter I collect these leaves and use them for mulching in my garden. So I never throw away these leaves, and I find them very useful, and I enjoy reusing these leaves also as mulching and as compost. So now the area is clean, so I'm placing these tires here. So I'm placing two of them next to each other, and the other two also I will be placing on top of these. They're very light actually, these tires, and I can easily lift them with my hand. See, all of us have vehicles at home, and once in a while we do replace our tires, isn't it? So I think this is one of the best ways to reuse those tires instead of throwing away and spoiling the environment. You can make this arrangement in your balconies, your porch, your backyards, and your terrace, anywhere for that matter. It's very simple and you'll definitely enjoy having it around your house. Now comes to the top of the tires. So I will be placing this plank, which actually was lying around after my house construction, and I didn't want to throw it away because it was quite strong and hard and very nice and looking good actually. So I am placing this on top of the tires. That's it. My seating arrangement is ready. Two people can actually be seated on this, and it looks lovely in my garden area, and I'm very happy with the outcome. Isn't it beautiful? So the paint that I have used is from Asian Paints. It is called Apex Dust Proof Emulsion. It is water based. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more such interesting videos.